Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the ins tag. Or you can say ins tag. So what this does is it gonna defines a text that inserted to a documents, and visually it can strike a line on the deleted text. It's totally opposite of del, which makes the deleted text. So let me show you. Uh, just type ins and my favorite color is red, an exclamation mark. Normally it's look like this, the ways, but we're not gonna do that kind of thing. Instead we're gonna use a p tag inside that. Just put that inside, paste, remove the ins and use it here, not input ins, and just put the rate, not the exclamation, only the rate. So when you do that, it's gonna show you this. Oh, that's why. This is what it does. Hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.